Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at some sub-nesting options located within your print feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, this is a continuation on the printing. We are reaching close to its end, but it's just a few more little options and features we need to cover. So now I'm going to go back to print, leave everything as is, and then just move this to my right, or my left desktop, should I say. And then now what we can do with our actual, how can we say, printing layouts, if we go, let's say, to the second page, because it doesn't work on the first page, but if we move to the second page, and we can see we've got our part numbers, and the third page we have some more part numbers. Now if I hover here, you can see it makes this orange block right around it. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try zooming here so you can have a better view of this rim. So as you can see, that orange block. So now if I had to click this, keep an eye on this little tab over here, what happens. So I'll click this and you see it just opened a new one. It's called the sub-nesting sheet report, then SP. So what it has done now, it has taken all the shapes we've got and it's nested them all nicely onto one page for us. So this can be convenient if you want to fit more information into a single page. Now obviously if you prefer just having single pages that is a bit more spaced, or it's got more white space on it, you can always just use this little close button on top, and then you go back to the default one. Now yeah, so let's say you wanted to actually print it like that, then what you can always do, you go to your first page, go to print, and then you make sure you only print the current page. And then what you do is you go to your second page, you select this. You can always count to make sure they are all there. I know I've got 19 pieces here, and together there's 19, so you can make double sure that you are printing everything. And as you can see on top here now, our pages and that is grayed out, so we cannot swap pages anymore. So now if we go to print, you will also see that the pages here is grayed out. So you can go current page if you want, or just leave it on all, and then it should be printing then only this one, for sure I remember. But yeah, so otherwise that is it on a sub-nesting sheet. It's a great way to fit more information into one page and keeping all your relevant information about the different sheets together. And then just remember, you close it on top here, otherwise you can get quite frustrated not knowing what's happening. You can obviously also just flip between them by these tabs. So if you click on the main report, it will go to main report, but otherwise you just close it on top there. And as you can see, the main report you actually cannot close on top here because it is not a sub menu. But yeah, otherwise that is it on your actual sub nesting. It's a handy feature if you want to have your layout a little bit more compact and have more information on one page. But yeah, otherwise if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.